It's Frank from Definitive Car Detailing. I want to show you how in a few minutes what I can tell from the condition of the paint, what assumptions I can make about how the car is parked, how often it's washed, and what other information we can get just from a quick walk around of the car. So very clearly we can see the bonnet has severe tree sap stains. All these little white dots are tree sap stains. If it's this much on the bonnet, we can also presume it will be the same on the roof. And also any part of the car that faces upwards, because that's how the tree sap will fall. So presumptions, the car is most likely parked under trees very frequently, and perhaps also this owner does not wash the car frequently enough. I'm going to have a quick feel of the paint as well, and it is very gritty. That's because all the contaminants has been sitting on it and is now stuck on the surface. So we'll keep walking around, we'll see that the wheels are very dirty. Both the outside face is dirty, full of brake dust. The inside is also full of brake dust, and also is the calipers. So perhaps this owner does not wash the car frequently enough. As we go along, we have a sticker on the window. Now this is not a brand new car, so we can presume this is the first time this owner has taken this car to a proper detailing place. That's why this sticker is still there. Moving along the paint, again, a lot of tree sap stains. Like I said, all the panels that curves upwards have a lot of tree sap stains. Okay. Tree sap stains. But you can see on the edges here, or the edges here, no one's cleaned it. Now this edge you also see is slightly white. This could either be polish or wax residue from a not so proper detailing place. Or this could also mean someone has detailed this with a buffing machine of some type and has actually rubbed off the paint on the edges. You can see more white polish or wax residues in the gaps. What this tells me is there's definitely some sort of a product, a wax or polish on the paint. And we cannot properly judge the clarity or the amount of swirls of this paint until we remove the wax or polish. It might look minimally swirled now, but it could be very different once we remove the polish or the wax. Rear wheel as well, extremely heavy with brake dust. The front wheels may be quite dirty, but that's because most cars are front brake biased. But if the rear wheel is also this heavy with brake dust, it is definitely a sign that it hasn't been washed frequently enough. And then we come along here, we can see on the side skirt, most are dirty, but then we have a patch of where it's slightly shinier. This is from people getting in and out of the car and rubbing it with their pants. So we can assume in this area there might be some scratches there that will need to be removed. So we can tell a lot from just a quick walk around the car. And by using this information, we can tell the owner what the results may be, what he needs or should be doing to maintain that result. And very clearly for this car is it needs to be washed more often, more regularly than he does now.